Section 5.1 Approximating Areas, problem number 7. Approximate the area under the curve y equals x to the third power from x equals 3 to x equals 6 using a right endpoint approximation with 6 subdivisions. So the first thing we need to find is how can we evenly divide the section from x to equal 3 to x equals 6 evenly with, so we're going to use delta x equals b minus a over n. A is your the starting point, which is x equals 3, and b is the end point, which is x equals 6 over n. N is the number of subdivisions that you're gonna do. You're gonna evenly break down that section into a bunch of rectangles, so they all have the same width. And this case is 6 because it's asking for 6 subdivisions. And we just plug all these values in, and we'll get 0.5. So the width of each of these 6 rectangles that we make, their width is 0.5. And then we approximate the area by using this equation. The reason, since our starting point is x equals 3, we're not starting at 3 because we're asked for the right endpoint and not the left endpoint. If it was the left endpoint, we will start at x equals 3, which would be f of 3, and then we go, and then each step we go, we add 0.5 all the way till we get 6, meaning 6 subdivisions. So since, again, this is the right endpoint, we start at 3.5, and then we just go 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and 6. So we find the values of these, and how do we get these values? We just plug it in to the original function, which was y equals x to the third power. And then once we have all these values, we add them up and we times 0.5 because we're approximating the area. Everything inside this parentheses bracket, that's our height on the right endpoint. So, and then after we multiply it, our approximate area will be approximately 352.6875 square units.